Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Do you ever get nervous ordering coffee in English?
Big coffee, milk, sugar, please.
English, please.
It feels like a big test, right? Well, today that changes. In this video, you will listen, learn vocabulary, and practice speaking with us. No more coffee confusion. Let's meet our two friends, Anna and Ben.
Wow, this coffee shop is so busy.
I know. I come here every morning. The coffee is great.
What do you usually order?
I like an Americano. It's strong and simple.
That's a good choice. I want to try something sweet today.
You should get a latte. It has milk and a little sugar.
Perfect. I will order a latte.
Next, please. What can I get for you?
Hello, one Americano, please.
And one latte for me, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Awesome conversation. Now, let's learn some very useful words and phrases from it. We have 5 for you today. Number 1, busy. This means a place has a lot of people or a person has a lot of work.
Wow, this coffee shop is so busy.
From the conversation, this coffee shop is so busy. Another example, the streets are busy in the morning. Or, my boss is very busy today. Number 2, usually. This is an adverb we use to talk about our normal habits. From the conversation, what do you usually order?
What do you usually order?
Another example, I usually go to the gym after work. Number 3, should for advice. We use this verb to give a suggestion or good advice.
You should get a latte. It has milk and a little sugar.
From the conversation, you should get a latte. Another example, you look tired. You should rest. Number 4, I will for decision. We use I will to talk about a decision we make at the moment of speaking.
Perfect. I will order a latte.
Perfect. I will order a latte. Another example, I will have the chicken. Number 5, that's all. This is a perfect, polite phrase to say you are finished and have nothing more to add.
No, that's all. Thank you.
No, that's all. Thank you. Another example, at a store, the cashier asks, do you need anything else? You say, no, that's all. Thanks. Great. Now you know 5 more useful English phrases. Okay, now it's your turn to speak. We will do something called shadowing. It's like being a parrot. You will listen and then immediately repeat what you hear. Try to copy the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling. It's the best way to improve your speaking fluency. First, we'll practice with Anna. Her voice will be muted so you can speak for her. Don't worry, just try your best. Let's go.
I know. I come here every morning. The coffee is great. I like an Americano. It's strong and simple. You should get a latte. It has milk and a little sugar.
Next, please. What can I get for you?
Hello, one Americano, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great job! Now let's switch. This time, Ben is muted. Let's do a duet with Anna.
Wow, this coffee shop is so busy. What do you usually order? That's a good choice. I want to try something sweet today. Perfect. I will order a latte.
Next, please. What can I get for you?
And one latte for me, please.
Of course. Anything else?
Thank you so much.
You did it! You just had a full conversation in English. I am so proud of you. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being confident and practicing again and again. If you want to be really fluent, watch this video one more time. Practice every day. It will become easy. If you loved this lesson and want to learn more, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We make new videos every week to help you speak English with confidence. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!